We will be making a chocolate buttercream frosting. What do we need to make the chocolate buttercream frosting? 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup butter, room temperature, and that'll be 2 sticks, 2 cups powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons vanilla. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is melt your chocolate chips, and I thought I had regular chocolate chips, but I actually have little mini chocolate chips, so they'll probably not take as long to melt. And the recipe calls to melt them in the microwave. They also say you can do the makeshift double boiler, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll turn my heat probably to medium-low since they are so tiny, and we will slowly melt that. And I just wanted to mention what a makeshift double boiler is in case you've never heard of one. You have a little bit of water in a pan with a glass bowl over the top. That way the chocolate is not directly over the heat, and then the chocolate will not burn. Alright, so the chocolate has gotten smooth and creamy and melted. It is all done. We will take it off the heat and let it cool till almost room temperature. So while the chocolate is cooling, we will start mixing up some of the other stuff. We'll put our 2 sticks of butter that's softened or at room temperature in the bowl, and we will beat that on medium speed until smooth. And always scrape down the sides. Alright, so that looks pretty smooth. Then add 1/2 of the powdered sugar. And beat that, and then make sure you scrape the sides. Then add the rest of the powdered sugar and beat again and continue scraping. Then continue beating for 1 more minute. So then add your 2 teaspoons of vanilla and your 1 cup of chocolate chips. I touched the chocolate and it is cool, so we'll add that. Now a lot of chocolate buttercream recipes actually use cocoa powder. I saw this one and I thought this one would be really flavorful, I think. Then you mix this on high for 2 minutes, scraping down sides as needed until creamy, smooth, and fluffy. But I'll start off on low first. So I have my completely cooled chocolate cake, and I have my chocolate buttercream frosting. We'll frost this cake. It looks nice and soft and fluffy, which is what it's supposed to. Oh, it smooths really, really nice. If it tastes good, this is going to be my favorite homemade frosting. So I'll taste it in a little bit to see if that's something that I want to continue to make. All right, let me give it a taste here. Oh wow, that's pretty good. I don't know if it's the best frosting I've ever had or not, but it's easy and it tastes good. So here is the chocolate cake, and it's frosted with chocolate buttercream frosting. Ta-da! Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.